on the duck.
Do you need concealer?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like cat. Meow. Hello guys, today I'm Andrea from my older siblings and this is my mommy and I'm gonna put makeup on my mommy and me and then let's start it.
Okay.
Press concealer.
No, the powder.
Oof, that's power.
Okay.
My mommy didn't close this properly.
I'm sorry.
And keep it Oh, I forgot. My mommy's here. Whoop, whoop. How about a noise? Noise.
More.
Nose. Okay.
I need more. Okay.
Oh, I did it.
Okay, what's next? Okay. Yes.
Concealer. Oh, but I give me the brush first because I'm gonna put it. Put your hair
Okay.
here. I'm not.
Okay.
I'm not sitting properly, so I will sit on the black. I want to leave the cheeks here. Don't laugh at my
No, spread it. Okay, the other side.
It's like a sun. Okay. A little bit more.
Okay. Brush.
Okay. Brush,
Don't
brush.
cover. They cannot see you. Don't care.
But you can send me like this.
Spread it, Anna. Spread it. Like that.
Okay.
So it's nice?
Yep.
Yes.
The concealer. Lipstick. Do you know lipstick is like it's red?
Don't open it. Yes. Wow. Nice. Okay. What's next?
Now, after the lipstick, now it's lip gloss.
Blush on.
Blush on the nuts for face. Oh, I'm gonna put cheeks. That.
Enough. The other side. No, enough. Spread it.
Your hand.
No, you use your hand.
I think my hand is gonna be red.
I think you need to add more powder. It's too red.
Okay. You add more powder. Here?
Yeah.
Okay. Now. It's like powder. It's like powder for the milk.
Okay, the other side. Other side. Enough.
Nose.
Nose. Okay, enough.
Oh, powdery.
What's next?
Now it's my makeup for mommy. And then I put a little bit of
Okay.
it's dirty.
I want with glitters. The lipstick?
No, first this one. Because
No, it's enough. This is the lipstick again.
I want this one.
Let me see. Wow.
Now my turn.
Your turn? Okay. Put on. So what's which first?
How do you just open this thing? Oh, I opened.
Show them how you put it.
Okay, because I'm going to do it by myself because I'm opening.
Oh, don't cover the...
You know, you actually can see me, but the powder is rock. I cannot reach it.
Okay, yeah. Just put it. Oh.
But not. Look it, guys.
Okay.
I'm putting in my mommy's face makeup, but I'm a big. And I'm going to school.
With the makeup? I don't think it's allowed.
Well, I'm going to wear my face.
Okay.
Can you help me, mommy?
Sure.
My finger.
Okay. And then?
And then the concealer. I'm just gonna duck.
Do you need concealer?
Yeah.
Okay.
I like cat. Yeah. Let's see cat. Now.
Okay. Wait.
After concealer, we're gonna
Blush on.
brush on the nose for face.
Okay.
It's red. You know when you put here on all of your face, it's too much. You're going to be like a lips,
What?
not on your body.
Okay.
It's for only face.
Okay. Just
I'm gonna-
put on the blush on.
Second,
On the other side?
it's like a cockroach.
Okay. Okay. Spread it in your face. Spread.
Wait.
Okay.
I need powder
Okay, you need powder. Let's put powder.
because there's too much red. Yeah. When there's too much red, you need to put powder.
Show them. Show them. Oh. What's next?
Now, lipstick.
Just a little.
Nice.
Okay.
I'm gonna show it.
Oh. Okay. Nice.
I'm bad.
Okay, now we're done. So,
now my lips. It's not closed. It's not possible. Closed. Now my makeup. I'm gonna put some. Since I'm going to put this.
come on, let's take a picture now. Okay, let's take a picture.
Lipstick.
You already have lipstick.
You know you have a glittery lipstick.
Okay. You want a glittery lipstick? Okay. Okay. Done.
But
Okay.
here.
Let's show them your makeup tutorial. Let's see. Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow. Next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Thank you for
Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching to my video makeups.
Makeup. Bye.
Makeups. Thank you for watching the Mario Siblings. Please like and subscribe.